Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step on how to create your API key and unlocking the potential of Gemini's incredible capabilities. To get hands-on with Gemini API in your programs, the process begins with creating a Google Cloud Platform project and activating the Gemini API, or we can say the BARD API. First thing first, let's get that API key set up. I am here in my Google Cloud and it is my first project. I am here Generative Language API. Now, this API allow developers to build generative AI applications using Gemini model. I will enable it from here. So this API reference documentation provides a detailed information for each of the classes and methods in the generative language library. Choose your preferred platform. I definitely go with the REST. Okay, this is a service endpoint credential tab. In order to use the API, you have to create the credentials from here. Now, clicking on the docs, I'll able to see this Launch Google AI Studio button. Clicking on this button will now navigate me to this prompt page. Let's get agree with the consent and hit continue. Here you will get two options. One will demonstrate you the practical implication of how to use Google AI Studio, and the another one is how to develop it in your own environment. So definitely I will use the second one. So let's click on get an API key. Now this will generate an API key for you. Let's copy this API key and put it somewhere safe. Since generating an API key for a new project was giving me some error, so one project which I have created in the GCP Google Cloud Platform, that same project I will use here. So I will create an API key for an existing project now, as you can see. As you can see, the name of my first project is Rock Baton 414613. So I will use this project. So I will generate API key for this existing project. Now this will navigate me to this particular page and I will use curl URL from here and use it in Postman to fetch the result. Again, saving this key in some safe place. Now if you check this curl URL, this text is particularly a prompt. So BARD API works by first taking the text prompt from the user. This prompt can be anything from a single question to a complex task. So this API then uses its knowledge of the world and its ability to understand and generate language to produce a response to this prompt. This API is currently free to use for everyone. So now let's copy this curl URL and change the prompt and add the API key over here. For example, bring me the custom itinerary for 2 days in Paris. And here you have to pass that API key which you have generated for this rock baton 414613 project. I will copy it from here and paste it over here. Now I will copy this curl URL and go to my postman and import here, and I will hit send. It brought some weird content. Let me try again.